Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to decluster my closet again. This time it's a lot. As you can see, it's a lot. Anyways, guys, so I need to take down these braids first. I'm taking down my braids today. I'll take down the braids first before I start the declustering. So you guys, watch out for that. This is going. Finish losing my hair. Need to go and wash it. Shower. I just need to pour water basically, and then because Lagos is really hot. But yeah. Wash my hair and. Wow. So I just came in yesterday afternoon, other than eBay, the main PS5. Other than eBay, it took 2 days for delivery. Yeah, it was quite quicker than expected. So yeah, that's my brother rejoicing happily, and I can't say the reason because I'm scared of copyright. Okay, so yeah, I guess Christmas is set for the whole family then. Yeah, so basically that's it. And oh my god! Oh my god! Jesus! Wait. I'm done washing my hair. See? Shrinkage is real. Shrinkage. It's real. Anyways, I didn't deep condition. I just washed my hair, conditioned it. I didn't deep condition. I've not put any product in my hair. I wanted to dry, air dry first. Then I'll start putting product. My deep conditioner is finished. My leave-in conditioner is finished. But I quickly rushed to go and get some stuff. Just some house essentials, I'm going to show you like a little clip of them. But I just got essentials, like things, people. I got yam. I got a tuber of yam, Irish potatoes because I like Irish potatoes in the morning. I got this bad boy here. Anyways, it's not my fault. It's not my fault. If you're on TikTok and you know Eggies, you will know why I like Pringles now. I used to like Pringles before, but it's not something I would want to buy like regularly. But TikTok has damaged. Let me just say TikTok have changed my life. Now, I'm just doing all things TikTok like. I might have watched that video, you know why I did that on TikTok. Anyways, yeah, I got baso, this wasabi. I got bananas. Now let me tell you something about Lagos banana. Lagos banana is 200 naira, less than that. Anyway, Lagos banana has issues. Let me tell you why I say it has issues. Not even just the banana. I'm saying it like I said what I said. You guys can confirm it. Confirm it in the comment section. If you stay in Lagos or you stay somewhere else and now you stay in Lagos, confirm it down below. Does your fruits taste the same way they tasted when you were at home or when you were in somewhere else different, say the north or the east or something? Your fruits taste differently. They get spoiled faster. I feel like because of the population in Lagos, they try to use chemicals to grow these fruits and food too very fast so they could actually sell. So yeah. And I fear that a lockdown might be coming up soon. So I just, I'm just trying to stop the house. What else? I got sugarcane. Yeah, I love sugarcane. I bought sugar cane. I bought fish. I bought indomie. I like using fish to eat indomie, like all this pala fish. I like using pala fish to make noodles. Like this is this is a com English have had me, sorry. It's a combination of all the videos of what my do with. Anyways, that's the banana. I love banana, apple, and pineapple. Those are my only two. Any other thing, I don't know. Old English is our omoli. So if you already know Old English, you already know omoli. Well, congratulations, you're close to my house. I got some ladies' drugs. What else? Oh, this is so sicker. I just wanted something that I could, like a travel size soap. My soap is really big, so I just needed a bar soap that I could move around with. You get my point? You get the drift? You get it? Just, I bought noodles, but that is already way there. Sorry for this. I don't know who did that. Stop lying, I did it. Anyways, I'm gonna move that later. You guys listen to me, yeah. Anyways, guys, that's like basically what I did. So I ended up not doing my stuff again. Like I told you guys, I was going to the cluster. You see? It's a whole. You see how terrible. See, guys. Just look at how organized I am. Like I don't know who is more organized than me right now. Like this, if I were to go for a let's see your wardrobe contest, tada! First place. Look at me. First place. Like what? Anyways, we're going to cluster this because it's almost festive season. So and it's almost festive season. I need to clear my cupboard because I know more outfits obviously will be coming in, and I don't have space anymore. And I refuse to be a hoarder. I refuse to be someone who hoards properties. So this is going like say 70% of all this is going because they're almost all on my Instagram. If you want to see most of my outfits, they're on my Instagram. So watch out for next video would be all this. I'll shoot this tomorrow separately, but I need to end this vlog because I don't want my videos to be too long, and I don't also want them to not have. I don't want people to get tired and stop watching. I want you to watch all the way through to the end. You get it? You get it? Anyways, I'm going to insert 2 clips. I made a dance video. Anyways, you guys are going to watch it after this. Stay tuned, guys. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to see how I can incorporate more vlogs because you guys have disturbed my life, disturbed my very existence. And you say you want to be seeing vlogs more than my sit down videos. So yeah, vlogs you can get.
The bigger the figure, the better I like her, the better I like her, the better I feel her, the better I feel her, the bigger the figure, the bigger the figure, the more I'm gonna love.
Basically, we have come to the end of my Sunday vlog of how I spent my entire Sunday. This is it. Oh, I ate rice. I'll show you guys. I didn't show you guys the stew, did I? Nah. It's not presentable like the kind of stews I see on YouTube here. I don't think I want to show mine. Okay, wait till I have like 10,000 naira to make stew. Then I will show you guys my stew. But until then, bitches, no, you're not gonna see stew. Okay, thank you so much for rocking with me.
See you guys in my next vlog.